Hi, I'm Mike from 1A Auto. We've been selling auto parts for over 30 years.
The rocker panels are covered in black cladding. So on this vehicle, there's little tiny arrows both front and rear that give you an idea of where to jack the vehicle up. So you can place your jack on the pinch weld under here and lift up, and also put your jack stands there, both here in the rear and the same on the front. We have this vehicle on a 2-post lift, but if you're going to lift it up in your driveway, you could put a floor jack under here in the subframe on either side, jack up the car, and put your jack stands on the pinch welds of the body here, basically right where our lift arms are. There are little arrows on the outside that tell you where to put your jack stands or your lift arms. You do the same on both sides for the front. Don't jack up on this bar here. This is actually a side impact beam for the fuel tank. You want to leave that alone. And on the rear of the car, you could put your floor jack underneath the differential or back here in the subframe, jack the vehicle up, and then put your jack stands over here. Same thing on the plastic cladding on the outside. There's a little arrow pointing down to where you want to put these jack stands right under the pinch weld. These are a little further inboard, but because the running boards, they hit the running boards when you lifted the car up, so. Same on both sides.
Thanks for watching. Visit us at 1AAuto.com for quality auto parts, fast and free shipping, and the best customer service in the industry.